Hey everyone, I'm Nicole with mmToolParts, and today we're going to show you how to replace your upper and lower blade guard on your Skilsaw Mag77. You can purchase your upper guard, your lower blade guard, and the spring at mmToolParts.com. Okay, the tools you'll need to replace your upper and lower blade guard are a T15, 20, 25, and 30. You'll also want the Skilsaw Wrench, and then you'll want something to help you pick and hold the retaining guard. We're just going to use a Flathead Screwdriver. So, let's dive in. When you're taking off the bolt here, you're going to twist opposite of what you would think. Pull the cap off. There we go. Now we're going to pick the retaining ring off. Pull the retaining ring off. So now we're going to take the bumper off. Slide and gently loosen off. Okay, we're going to move on to the upper blade guard. We're going to flip it over and get the rest of the screws off. We'll need a 30 for these big bolts on the upper guard. There you go. So we're going to get our nice shiny new one. Flip it back over. Continue with the lower blade guard. So the new blades guard has a new spring attachment, and you want to push it through with the hook side first. Okay, we get the bumper guard. All right, here's the tricky part. Get your retaining ring started. Remember, opposite. There you have it. All shiny and new. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to check out our other Skilsaw videos, as well as check out mmToolParts.com for all your Skilsaw replacement parts.